Alright, yo. Welcome back to Potato Rice and Trade, guys. Oh, 1 sec. Guys, give me 1 sec. Just give me 1 sec, yeah. $1.1 long. Guys, give me 1 sec. Just give me 1 sec, alright? Transaction history 41. Four. It should be okay. Okay, perfect. Oh, is it all right? Is the sound all good? It should be fine. It should be fine. All right, it should be fine. Let me just remove this. Uh, damn. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, guys, welcome back. Welcome back. All right. Okay, so yesterday was a good yesterday was a good shot. I hope you guys shorted, even though not recommended. If you guys play smaller, you should be fine. I asked for short for a retest. It happened exactly. It happened exactly. So yep, congratulations. Congratulations. And let me just delete this. Delete this. It was a successful trade. So mm, all right. So what's next is basically right now we will need to check on the open interest. We have to check on the current, what's the sentiment. Oh, we have most of the short closing and we have most of the long closing as well. Oh, oh. So basically, oops. One sec. No. To be honest, it looked bad. Very bad, I would say. Look very bad. Um. All right, let's have a quick check. All right, if you guys haven't do any long entry, I would suggest plan lower. Plan lower. As you can see right now, we do have two resistance formed. One is on the top one. One is the second one. And yeah, I have another chart that not showing here is spot selling is heavier. Spot selling is heavier. I don't know what is happening to the news. More people are start to sell instead of buying. So people are buying. People that put limit buy is actually getting lesser and lesser. So with that said, simply means that at the current moment, we will have more people selling instead of buying. So we can see on the top here, we have more people are selling. So you can see more colors like yellow, blue, green, purple-ish, But at the bottom, we have not much of limit order to buy until 50,000. Until 50,000. I'm not trying to scare everyone, just telling the fact that we only have large order at 50,000, which means if let's say there's a huge drop, probably we'll reach the first one 62,500. 62,500, we have 36 Bitcoin, and then 62,000 we have 101. We have 60,000 around 146 as well. Which is not good. I mean, based on what is going on right now, it's not good. Let me see Coinbase. Yeah, Coinbase as well. Nothing much until 52,000. I mean, it's pretty much empty. Of course, will it be any like limit order like very soon? It might be just that yeah. I don't see any limit buy order. So if let's say we can see any limit buy order at the bottom, then probably we will be able to see a better return, but not at this case. So I mean that is a good news. That is a good news as in liquidation level. We actually took the 62,900 liquidation level, and then which is around here. 62,900. Okay, we just took it like just now, literally like just now. Literally like just now. All right, 6,900. So yep. So currently, if you ask me, not good. Not that good. All right, not that good. But of course, you can plan for long. So the reason why we can plan for long is first thing first, MACD day chart is having is on the top, and 8 hours, 12 hours. Yeah, I think if you guys wanted to do limit, then this is a good one. 62,000 and 60,000. This is a very good limit. Very good limit for you to buy spot or for long term, like planning longs. So the reason being is we do have liquidity at at what is this price is 62,600. We do have liquidity at 62,300. And then last but not least, we have one more liquidity at here, 61,500. So all these three are pretty much a very good entry point, very good entry point as well. And I would say, yeah, I would say drop below 59, then we are probably in bad condition. All right, bad condition. The reason being is if it broke below 59,000, if it break below 59,000, then probably we'll see another market structure shift. But of course, wick is not counted. That's the thing. Wick is not counted. So if you want to buy spot, of course you don't set a stop loss. But if future, yeah, it's a little bit tricky. It's a little bit tricky. So yeah, because this is a range. 57 to 59 is a range. All right, so yeah. So I saw Jasper was saying that it's 15 minutes forming a bottom. Yes and no. Yes and no. Okay, yes, as in unless you can see a smaller time frame or market structure shift, then yes, we can plan for longer if you use very good, mm, you know, uh, So I would rather to say there is a gap here. There is a gap here. So there's a huge gap here. So here. It's been a long time since I draw this kind of thing. No, this is not a bearish one. This is a bullish one, right? Yeah. So I think it will be just nice to hit this area 61.5, which you see, which I draw out everything 61.5. This is my favorite last entry 61.5. All right. So yeah, this is an area that are highly anticipating. Right, with a stop loss below 59. With a stop loss below 59, this is the best. This is the best. So I always say, don't rush on. Don't rush to buy spot. Don't rush to buy for more long. There's always a retracement. It just depends on whether the retracement is a deep retracement or a healthy retracement. So currently, if you draw a Fibonacci level, it's still on a healthy retracement to reach 61,500, because if you draw a Fibonacci retracement from the bottom to the top, 61,500 to 61,003, this area is 0.328, which is a very healthy retracement. Right, it's a very healthy retracement. Of course, if you base on here as well, it's the same from the low to the high. We actually found the first 0.328 retracement with 51,500. All right, so yeah. So even then, if let's say you want to draw from here, is 0.5. If you want to draw from the previous one, of course, is 786, 0.618 as well. So in this huge, I mean, in this healthy plan, uh, then yep, I say it's a good retracement if you reach here. It's a very good retracement. So then if you go for the newest one, which is around here, which is also 0.618, right? And then of course the second one will be 786. So this is the range that I will have multiple confluences to support me to open a long position or to buy my remaining spots. Right? If you guys didn't notice, let me see if I can find my spot buy. Where's my spot buy chart? BTC USD. Then I think it's this one. Um, shit. I think I accidentally deleted my spot buy chart. Is it BTC USD T? Yeah, I think I might just deleted my spot buy chart. But of course, I do have recording. I can always find back the recording and redraw the whole thing. But yeah, damn. Oh yeah, it's not here. All right. Yeah, this is the one. This is the one. All right. Okay. 62,003. Is it okay to do limit long? 62,003. Yeah. Yeah. 62,003. 62,100, 200, 300. This area is a very good first entry. Very good first entry. So I would say that is a perfect one. Because of, yes, because of a good one, a good level, a good level. But um, of course, top there is a lot of empty spaces because this drop is huge. Like I mean, it's a 5% drop. It's like very drastic. So it might just like go back up and go down again. Like go back up as in like this. It might just like go back up again to retest and then further drop down. So 62,300 might be, it just depends where it hit the entry. So if you hit the entry right now, then we might need to take profit on top. We might need to take profit on top. But if let's say it go up first, then drop one more time, then 62,300, then probably we can do a long term until 70,000. So it really depends on when and how it actually hit the entry. All right. So that's for Bitcoin, and upcoming we have Ethereum. Ethereum is actually stronger than Bitcoin if you notice. For first time ever, Ethereum is actually stronger than Bitcoin for first time ever. All right. So yeah, we actually retrace. Yeah, Ethereum is actually much stronger, but means that there is more room. There's more room for the longs. All right. So if you want to limit around like 2005, this is a good point to limit. So yeah, this is a good time to limit because this is a support resistance flip. And yeah, you can actually start to plan for your Ethereum long. Just make sure your cut loss is just like below this, I would say below this 2005. Or you can just put like 2004. Then yeah, you have a good risk and reward. You have a good risk and reward. All right. You can just put like this 2000, like probably 1 to 4, 1 to 4 risk and reward. Yeah, 1 to 4 risk and reward. All right. So that's for Ethereum. 2005 is a strong support. We managed to flip it over, and then because you can see previously here, this area is a resistance. Flip it over, test 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. Then only it broke down. Even broke down, even it broke down, it retest it again. 1 time, 2 time before another further drop. So breaking up from the previous one, retesting the support 1 time, 2 time. I mean, the third time is the charm. Hopefully, the third time is a charm. Of course, not the fourth time. Of course, not the fourth time, right? So if you want to do a long limit at 2,550 or 2,530 each, it's a good long. It's a good long until we will see 2008, because 2008 is a very strong flip. All right, previously it hold up the price for a few time until a big drop, retesting again. And that's why 2008 is definitely a strong resistance. I would say it will go up. It will go up. I think temporarily it will go back. It will push back down again. It will push back down again the price. So if any longs, right, 2008 is definitely a first take profit. First take profit. All right, that's for Ethereum. So other than that, if you ask me any other coin to look for, definitely you can see like Dogecoin, Weave, and all these. All right, I would say Pepe is good. Dogecoin probably good as well. Um, if you guys long from, I mean, I don't really see altcoin nowadays because I'm really focused on Bitcoin because of the Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance. Of course, you will say, oh, of course, there's some altcoin flying, is doing better, perform better than Bitcoin. Yes, but if you know how to take profit, then yes, right? So you can see up here we have a resistance on Bitcoin dominance. We do have resistance on Bitcoin dominance on the top part here, which that is the reason why altcoin is doing much better than Bitcoin for past 2-3 days. All right, for past 2-3 days. Right, you can just check on crypto bubble. So you can check for this week. So you can see that Shiba, Bong, Hex is performing as well. All right. ENA and all this, Pepe, is all performing better than Bitcoin because of Bitcoin dominance reaches the resistance. So as long as we can stay on this trend line, this is a so-called long-term trend line for Bitcoin dominance, then I think we are remaining strong on Bitcoin. We are remaining strong on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin dominance can hit 60%, it can go up to 60% one last time, then definitely all the odds will bleed more. All the odds will bleed more, right? So if you can stand above 60%, then wow, really the sky is the limit, man. Really the sky is the limit, man. It's been a long time since Bitcoin reaches this level. Right, the last time was around 2021, and then all this time we are always below 50 now. We're always below 50 for the last bull market. All right, for the last bull market. All right, because 2021 it was the last one. 2021 January. Right, 2021 January. Let me check the price. 2021. Yep, it was the 60,000 peak. It was a 60,000 peak. Then that's the end of Bitcoin dominance. So I think it would be good if we can pick at there. It would be good if we can pick at there. Then it's very similar because the previous one for the previous bull market, let's say like January, around January, we almost peaked for the first Bitcoin dominance. Then only then I will start to look for odds. All right. So this is how you can look into it. All right. This is the peak. I think I can do something like this. Yeah, BTC USD. Oh shit, I should do it. Wait, I shouldn't do like this. BTC USD T new skills price. All right. So you can see the first peak of Bitcoin dominance is around January, and then the first peak of Bitcoin is around March, April, that area. So if history will have to repeat themselves, then probably we will see Bitcoin dominance to peak around probably not 70%, but maybe like above 60. Above 60, then we will see the first peak of Bitcoin. We might see the first peak of Bitcoin. All right. If it above 50, then we might see the first peak of Bitcoin. Then until then, only I will focus more on altcoin. For now, it's definitely Bitcoin. So one of the reasons, because I hold a lot of Bitcoin, I would like to increase my quantity of Bitcoin. So that is why I focus so much on Bitcoin instead of Ethereum and other odds. All right, because other odds is definitely not all those utility coin. It's definitely all those meme coin. You can see like with Shiba, Pepe, Bong. Those are the coin that is having a huge upwards move. Of course, ENA is sort of like what's it called? Outlier, outlier. Yeah, because out of so many, only ENA have a 30% upward move, right? So yeah, I'll actually wait until it broke this resistance, hover around here, probably not 70%, probably not 70%. I think this cycle is not easy for us to hit 70% for Bitcoin dominance, probably like 65, then yes, I will start to play on altcoin. All right, so basically that's it for today's live. So if you want to know more, just join our Discord, and yeah, please join. We do have a French fries team. We do have an October plan team. So yeah, you will know more. For you will know more on upcoming days. All right. Tonight I'm gonna review on my plan on French fries and October plan, right? And tomorrow I'm gonna review in YouTube as well. So stay tuned, and looking forward to see you again tomorrow. All right, bye.